Hi, today I welcome you all for the session 4 in Unit 3 of Understanding of Scanning. Let us see the topic which I are going to cover in this session. Today we will discuss the remaining part of the previous class which we have discussed the how what are the criteria has to be considered while selecting a scanner. The remaining criteria which are used to select the scanners are to be discussed in this session along with some multiple choice of question. Let us see one by one. The image quality. Turning paper into digital images can only be successful if you can read the document you have scanned. Image quality must be sufficient to reproduce the original document. If you able to read, then the resolution will also good. If the resolution is less, then you could not able to read also. Sometimes you can read, but those resolutions could not be used in printing applications, which is only for view and read, not to take a high quality print. Document scanners today offers many integrated image enhancement capabilities. Some are ability to enhance the image quality at the scan time either with add-on software that comes with the scanner or with the built image processing functions. These are the additional enhancement capabilities of scanner devices. Next. The image processing with a typically clean the document as it's scanned for a dark or a light text or a color correction, even color dropout, border removal and some hole punch removal and various types of ink and pencil marks also, some dots also and other functions will come with the scanner. This is the image processing of cleaning process in the while scanning. These are the functions has to be some scanners have consist. The quality of the scans will also be affected by an optic or a lamp technology of the scanner. Depending upon the quality of the lamp or the optic, the quality of the output will also occur. Many low-end scanners are available, but spending a few dollars as more, we will get a high-end scanner will pay off in both image qualities and longevity of use. More life and high quality we can get it if you spend a little bit more. Many times a greater scanners can produce an image that is actually of a better quality than the original by enhancing the document with the use of image processing feature. If the quality of it can increase, even the pixels also increase, it may consisting of dark lights and enhancing the photos which will be used for further applications. This will come in a scanner. Next one is software compatibility. The issue will occur in this. Each device has come with its own software that should be compatible to all operating software along with application software. Otherwise, it may not work in some operating systems or some other applications softwares also. So normally the scanners will come with the compatibility of both operating and application software. It captures the product will either support IIS, image and scanner interface specifications which consisting of pin drive. Even in a Photoshop also you can, if you want to capture image using with the pin drive, it is possible. The scanner manufacturers builds scanner hardware to work with either both of these standard drives. The drive ships with the scanner and it is produced by the scanner manufacturer for the specific scanner model. Depending on the manufacturer, the design and the model is different, but the working principle is same in all the scanners. To check the scanners, you are considering to ensure it has a drive that is supported by a software package you are going to use with it. Aware that some scanners or malfunction devices do not have ISIS or twin drives if or they have drive that is not fully compliant with Edwin specifications. Be sure to check with our software manufacturers to ensure that the scanners we are considering is fully functional with the software. Next and the last one is service cost and easy of service or warranty, which will comes from the company. Most of these scanners have recommended throughput rating in pages per day. It might be number of like 1000 pages per day or 3000 pages per day, etc. It is not a limiting factor of the scanner that is easy to say once you reach this number it will stop scanning, but recommended volume pertaining to scanner wear and scanner to wear out and will have a limited life, then it's required a service. Many of the quality scanning hardwares will have easily replaceable wear items such as rollers and pickup pads, and that can be changed by the end users. These replacement parts are readily available at fairly at lowest cost. The reputable and quality scanners manufacturer will also offer service agreement and great warranties also that will provide depending upon the cost. The range from on-site service technicians to advanced exchange program where a replacement scanner will be shipped out before you have returned your scanners. The higher end scanners very reliable but do occasionally fail, so be sure select scanners that have warranty and readily available parts. That is also one of the important point while selecting a scanners. The scanners can deploy with our softwares and solutions can enhance the overall solution and success of our paperless project. Correctly resizing the scanner to your paper volume and ensuring the scanner capability meet your document handling requirements in a crucial time. Without matching the scanner to the job, it may be cost yourself money in excess labor, cost of productivity, or even worse, not being able to effectively reproduce the original document. This will also cost. Next, do not underestimate the importance of quality of scanner is overall scope of our project. Although the cost is an important consideration, it should not be the only driving factor in a scanner selection. A good balance of cost, image quality, speed, and reliability should be ultimately determine our final choice of scanning selections. Let us see the multiple choice of question. Document scanners today offers many integrated images enhancement capabilities, whether this statement is true or false. Normally, nowadays, the scanners will have to increase the quality, sharpness, dot gain, even sometimes blur and sometimes darker and lighter will also done and enhance the quality of the picture is done. This is the clue to answer this question. Next question is ISIS stands for. The options are image and scanner interface specification, idea and scanning internal specification, internal and scanning image specification, and none of. Normally these scanners are used to scan the images and sends the data to the computer. This is the clue to answer this question. Next question. The quality of the scan will also be affected by the dash technology of the scanner. The options are network, optic, lamp, and the scanner, and then none of the above. Normally, the quality of the output will be affected or will get the highest quality depending upon how much it absorbs the object, the source, original source. So it will depend upon the light source which is used. This is the clue to answer this question. Next question. The driver ships with the scanners and it is produced by the scanner manufacturer for the specific scanner model. Normally, all the manufacturers will produce their own printer software which is compatible to all operating system and the application software. This is the clue to answer this statement. Whether it is true or false, you have to answer now. Next question. The end of the scanner is very reliable but do occasionally fail. A normally flat, a handle and a desktop and a high scale. Normally these three, the above three can be a come for repair or occasionally fail or sometimes it keep on fail may occur, but higher end scanners will never fall into the some surveys or every time because it maintains an annually. This is the clue to answer this question. Next question. A good balance of cost, image quality, speed and reliability should ultimately determine our final choice. Whether the statement is true or false. While selecting a scanner, this should be considered is very important criteria. The options are true or false. I thank you all once again.